snoring is caused by your jaw relaxing and falling back. Surrounding soft tissues collapse and restrict breathing. Your lungs work hard to force air through this compromised space, resulting in the snoring sound. Z-Quiet corrects this. It gently positions your lower jaw slightly forward, helping to open your airway, keeping it clear in any sleeping position. You'll relieve snoring and eliminate the sound the first time you use it. To assure you perfect comfort, fit, and success, Z-Quiet comes in 2 sizes. Unlike other outdated products, Z-Quiet requires no boiling, molding, or guesswork. Its innovative design provides an instant and easy fit.
Z-Quiet can restore your sleep and your relationship.
So I sleep better.